Hello friends, welcome to Expert Guidance, and today we'll be doing a very important topic of your GCSE Maths, which is Best Buy. Now these questions are very easy, but at times they turn out to be a little longer, and most students do a mistake in step one, and that results in the carrying forward of the error. But here I'll tell you what's an easy way to do these problems. So in Best Buys, you will get questions from calculating the Best Buys from numbers, Best Buys from fraction questions, Best Buy from percentages questions, and mixed problems. So we'll do all this one by one. Now, Best Buys are generally tell you what is the best decision of purchasing, which one gives a better value for money, or which is the best option to choose for. Now, for that, you need to compare 2 or 3 results given to you. Now, to compare the results, you need to make sure they all come to one level. So what you will do is whatever quantity is given to you, whether it is price of different items, price of different grams, ml, capacities, volume, you need to make all that equal 1 so that you can easily compare. Now, for example, if this is a question that you have pack of 5 boxes for £1.35, 7 boxes for £1.50, and 9 boxes for £2.10, which is the best value for money. So what you will do is convert how much will each box will cost if you buy these packs. So if the pack for brand A, if the pack of 5 boxes is 1.35, which means 5 box is equal to 1.35, the cost of 1 box will be, you will divide by 5, it will turn out to be 0.27. Similarly, for the other one, 7 boxes is for £1.50. So 1 box will be, you'll divide by 7. So that will be 0.21. And for the last one, if 9 boxes 2.10, then 1 will be 2.1 divided by 9, which is 0.23. Now, all of them give you the price of 1 box. So it's easier to compare. So which one is the cheapest? This. A pack of 7 boxes cheaper. So the rule says work out the cost of 1 unit by dividing, and then you can compare. Let's see this. If suppose you have a fraction question that there's a £60 t-shirt, okay, and if you buy 2, you get 1 free, or you can take it as 1/5 of the normal price, right? Now, let's suppose I want to buy 6 t-shirts. Now, if I need to buy 6 t-shirts, according to scheme number 1, what I'll do, I'll pay for 4, I'll get 2 free. It means that if I pay for 4, I'll get 6, and each t-shirt is for £60. So I need to do 60 times 4. So that will give me £240. It means that I need to pay for 4, and I will pay £240 and I'll get 6 t-shirts. On the other hand, I'm getting 1 t-shirt at a normal price, 1/5 off. So 60, 1/5 of 60 is 12. Right? It means that I am getting a £12 off on 1 t-shirt. So overall, if I buy 6 t-shirts, I will get a £72 off in total. So for 6 t-shirts at a usual price, I would have paid £360, right? This is 150 off on the normal price. So I would have paid £360, but here I'm getting a £72 discount. So this 6 t-shirts will now cost me £288. All right, so which one is a cheaper option? Definitely buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, so what we have done, we work out the final value that each offer will give us, and then we can compare. So here for 6 t-shirts, I'm paying £240, and here for 6 t-shirts, I'm paying £288. Okay, so I hope this question is clear to you. This is basically combining the Best Buy with the fraction knowledge. If you need more information on fractions, you can watch my another video which is on fractions. Now let's see some percentages question. Here we'll use the same principle. We work out the value of each offer and then compare. So for example, I'm getting 2 offers for music system, £120 with 15% off and £70 with 15% installation. So let me work out what will be the final value it will cost for each offer. For offer A, first I will find out how much off I will get. So I'll do 15% of 120. Now, how will you do this question? 15% is 15 over 100 times 120, and it will give you 18 pounds. It means I'm getting 18 pounds off. So this music system will cost me 120 take away 18, which is 102 pounds. Let's come to my second offer. This is 70 pounds plus I need to pay on top of it 50%, 15% extra on installation. So 15% of 70 will be 15 over 100 times 70, and that will give me the answer 10.5 pounds. So 70 plus 10.5 is 80.5. It means this is cheaper for me, 70 pounds and 15% installation. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's do a mixed word problem. There are tickets. The cost of the ticket is 30 pounds, and I have two offers. Either I can purchase it online. On online, I have to pay the processing fees, which is 1/3 of the ticket price, and I have to pay the card charges, which is 2.2% of the ticket price. Right? And if I go walk in, I have to pay the processing fee, which is 1/5 of the ticket price, and I have to pay the car charges, which is 10% of the ticket price. So what I'll do, I'll work out my cost of my ticket on each of the cases. Now, for online price, the processing fees is 1/3 of 30, which comes out to be 10 pounds. And the credit card charges is 2.2% of 30, which will come out to be 0.66. So overall, I have to pay 10.66 extra charge if I buy online. But if I go walk in, the processing fees is just 1/5 of the ticket price. So which is 1/5 of 30, which is 6 pounds. And the credit card charges is 10% of the ticket price, which is 3 pounds. So the total charge I'll pay when I go walk in is 9 pounds. Okay. So where I'm getting less charges, the walk-in price. So this is the Best Buy. I should go walk in and buy the ticket. Okay, so I hope all these different scenarios of the Best Buy are crystal clear to you, but you need to practice more questions to make sure you have understood the topic well. So what's our next step? Our next step is to check the specification, make sure whatever thing is there in the Best Buy, you have covered it all, and then you need to do exam questions on this topic. The link is mentioned in the description box below. If you have any problem while doing this topic or any other problem in maths and science, you can come to my website. There's a 24/7 chat support and you can post your queries, get instant reply, or you can join my Facebook group which says Get AA Stars in Maths and Science by Mahima. And the link is also mentioned in the description box below. There you can come and post any of your queries and get instant replies. Okay, so I hope this topic is clear to you. I'll see you next in the next video. Till then, happy revising.